Hi, I've got a quiz for you today. True or false? Minimum credit score needed to get a loan today is 620. And the answer is actually both. It's true and false. It really just depends on the loan product that you're looking to qualify for and apply for. Let me give you a few examples. For example, we would actually need to have a minimum credit score of 640 if you were looking to do certain down payment assistance programs. You would also need to be at least 640 if you were looking to do a VA cash out refinance where you are looking to pull 95 to 100% of your equity. In other words, you're going to be over a 90% loan to value. That would actually require a 640 credit score with us to get that done. However, we do have a down payment assistance program that only requires 620. So that's actually right there where, yes, you need to have at least 620 if you want to qualify for one of our down payment assistance programs that we offer. It's a zero down FHA loan. And then we also have conventional renovation loans that would require a minimum credit score of at least 620 as well. So those are examples of where you need at least 620 or higher to get into those types of loans. However, we have many programs that'll go lower than that. For example, if you have a 580 credit score at least, you can get an FHA renovation loan, or it's referred to as a 203K streamline. We can go all the way down to 540 if you're looking to do just a regular FHA purchase or an FHA streamline refinance. Those only require 540 as a minimum score. Additionally, VA purchase, we can go down to 540. A VA streamline refinance, which is also referred to as an EARL in industry jargon. And then USDA requires at least 540. So those are just a few examples of ones where if you're below 620, in fact, quite a bit below 620, you still could get a loan potentially, assuming you qualify in addition to just, the credit score. That's only one component of it, obviously. So in any event, listen, I really hope you found this information helpful. And if there's anything else we can do for you, just please reach out, give us a call, let us see what we can get you qualified for. All right. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.